Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is SEM. I am here to talk about my Sketchbox. Welcome to my channel, by the way. This is my first ever video to show myself personally in any of my videos. I've never actually vlogged before. So my June Sketchbox that I had received came with a bunch of really cool things. I got this really nice drawing from the person of the drawing of the month for the June, and it's by Frances. She made a really cute little girl with flower in the back. And it came with some brush pens from Prismacolor, the green, the black, the blue, and a lot of chameleon markers. Now this took me a bunch of tries on how to use chameleon markers, and you know, it wasn't that bad. I kind of had to YouTube directions, even though Sketchbox was so kind enough to send me a directional on how to use these toners and color tops. But me being me, I like visual. I like to look at a video and see, you know, how to use this. So, and also I got the chameleon sky blue pen, which came with the blender. Also that came with these, that was nice, was a little sketch, I want to call it a little sketchbook, like one of those little memo pads that you can like easily draw little doodles in. But this one is called Render, and it's by Crescent. It's pages inside that even if you, like, let's say use bleeding markers or anything like that, it won't go on the next page. And of course I got the Sketchbox sticker, which is underneath the glass panel of my desk. So then, for this video, I actually already went ahead and started and did some color blends with the chameleon. I did a quick sketch of Lucio. He's a little purple right now. But I thought, you know, Lucio is colorful, vibrant kind of guy. So I started off with some blends and some colors from what was given to me. The black area was done, the black lining was done with this brush pen, of course, this Prismacolor brush pen, which is nice. The green that you see like on his tattoo and in his hair a little bit was also by this color, so it gave this color, the green, onto his hair and his tattoo. I didn't use this one, the blue, yet. Sorry for the I'm a little nervous because this is like my first video, and it's like, yay, I get to like show you what you got, because I thought it was pretty cool. Let's see. So, and here's the pen. You can see I've already used a little bit of the mixer. So, how this works, if you've never used chameleon like I have, from what the video had said, you'll take the mixer, and then you have the choice between the toner and the actual color. That, I believe, is the actual color. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. I would, you know, definitely look this up on YouTube, and I think this is the toner. Chameleon does have a YouTube channel on their how-tos. But, let's see. This is the diffuser. So I did some little mixes of purples and blues already. And to get it into this blue, oops. One thing you don't want to do, you don't want to push this down. You just want the tips to touch, which they are. And I would give it like 10 seconds. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so let's see what this came out after so much of the diffusing that I was doing. And I'll do like part of his earpiece. So it came out with a pink, which is not bad. It's a nice pink. So as you can see, I did a color of the earpiece, the pink. Now this is a quick sketch I did for this video, so that's, I mean, I liked it. I found the hairstyle on Pinterest and I thought, I can use this hairstyle on Lucio. Why not? I don't have to follow all of how Blizzard made Lucio's hairdo. I made him my own, just with guide. Because Pinterest is really nice for the like if you need to figure out how to draw something, they have like little sketch guides in there, which is nice. So I just followed the hairstyle and did the rest on my own from the guide of Blizzard on how they did the Lucio. So Lucio fan art. Let's see. I was actually happy recently on Overwatch. You know, the anniversary was going on. Still probably going on a little bit. With the anniversary, I actually got his jazz skin, which I love it. Love, love, love. Here, the vibrant color looks like the color of his skin that I did. I'm not used to Chameleon. I mean, as I said, this is my first time using Chameleon, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to practice more with these pens, but I really do like it. I like the blend and how it goes. Like, it's a learning process, but I definitely do like it. I mean, those of you who know how to use it, you know, probably do better art than I can with these markers. I probably use them for fun, like fun activities. Just like, you know, need to do a quick doodle, put some color. I probably use it for that. But if you have some tips for me, I don't mind. I would love to hear your tips. I'm very, very open-minded. My ears are open to, like, what you recommend. I mean, what's something different that I should probably do. I'll also have some games up from Overwatch. Now I'm playing Season 5. So let me hear, like, your favorite game maybe, and I'll post, like, my video of what happened in one of my games. And for now, that is it. And then once this is so finished, I'll post it up and show you guys how it came out. For now, take care. Have a great day, y'all. Bye!